Hello, hello. Welcome to another CNC project video with Legacy Woodworking Machinery. I'm Chris, and today is part 2 in producing the Fireplace Mantel project. Today we're simply going to show how we assemble all of this together, and so let's go show you how it's done. So to help visualize how this entire installation is going to take place and how everything quickly interlocks with one another, let's break this down here in the software. Now the first thing is we have these two inner side panels that really have the core structure of the joints necessary for the entire project. And that are these elongated dados and these rabbets going on three sides. And the other piece is a mirror image of it, and this will hold the entire structure of the project. So the first part is this face frame that goes right into those dados. The second part is the back panel that will fit right into those rabbets. And then we have the same thing on the front panel, and these actually are overlapping one another, the face frame and this front panel, so that there's no gap, and we can actually glue those faces together. And then we have the top part that will prevent the entire project from actually twisting. To finish this off, we have the columns that will be capped off from the sides, and the spacing of these will be laid out from the raised panels. So we'll simply square off these edges and then glue and nail these in place to make sure that they're all the right spacing. And to finish this off, we then have the actual top of the mantle itself for a shelf. Now these are simply two parts of MDF. You have the bottom part is going to have a chamfer, and then the top part is going to be glued and nailed in place on the very top, and that will finish the assembly of the entire fireplace mantle. Really to finish this off, this will then need to be painted, which will hide all the seams. So these side seams, all those will all be hidden after this is painted, and we'll then wrap up the installation process in another video. But for now, let's go show you how John and I quickly put this together in less than 15 minutes. Because the CNC made it possible to apply dados and rabbets anywhere we wanted, it made it so that this project was fast and easy to put together. And to wrap this up, we tested a dry fit with the fireplace mantle just to see how it all fit and looked. Well, all that's left over for this project is to seal it, paint. And to wrap this up, we tested a dry fit with the fireplace mantle just to see how it all fit and looked. Now, if you're interested in learning more about what a Legacy CNC can do for you, I recommend you visit our website at legacywoodworking.com. If you have any questions and would like to talk to a CNC expert, you can always call 801-491-0010. You can also leave any comments or questions down below. Now, if you're interested in seeing more cutting demonstrations or CNC project videos like this, just click right over there. Don't hesitate to like, subscribe, and check that notification box so that you can be notified when new videos come out. And as always, thank you for watching. And remember, Legacy solves more woodworking problems than any other CNC manufacturer in the industry.